My name is Timon Beyes. I'm a professor of sociology of organization and culture at Leuphana University, Lüneburg, where I'm working on, I think, lots of related matters in terms of aesthetics and organization, very broadly understood. A reason for my visit is a study that I've done and published, and that I keep on doing actually, on color. Color as, we might say, a primary aesthetic substance or force, or maybe medium of organization in all walks of life. And the book that I've written, which is called Organizing Color Toward a Chromatics of the Social, is an attempt to understand and think with color as a primary force of the social in a language of organization. If you start to think about the aesthetics of organization, entrepreneurship, management, business, how can you even begin to think about the aesthetics of organization without thinking about color? I think it is completely impossible to conceive of any form or practice of management and organization and entrepreneuring without color. It is necessarily drenched in and to some degree shaped by color. And this is a bit the question that my research ponders: how can we make sense of that condition of organizing as one that is, invariably chromatic? And then the question, of course, becomes how color organizes us and how we organize color in different degrees, and how color maybe escapes organization, right? It becomes both a material, a medium of organization, and escapes organization and management. What I've tried to do in the book is write through different scenes, very specific, locally specific situations of organization as examples of how color is managed and at the same time unmanageable. How color is used to organize life and at the same time escapes any kind of organizational attempt, which I think turns it into a very interesting aesthetic substance, since it kind of embodies this whole ambivalent notion of aesthetics as that which is sense perception, which shapes what we can feel, think, say, and act in any way, but that also kind of escapes ordering, or is hard to manage and is hard to control, and how color is kind of involved in this interplay.